Okay. Anyways, I said anyways, like I just didn't start recording. Okay, but yep, it's your girl Deja, and I'm back with another video with. I thought you were gonna say my name, Tiara. Anyways, y'all, I'm gonna cook some spaghetti, and y'all know I can't cook, but we finna do the damn thing. And, okay, so. I got the meat cooking on low, like my mama told me to do. And I got the water boiling. She told me to put it on high. I didn't know what noodles to get, so I got these. And I know I'm making some chocolate covered strawberries because I really like my chocolate covered strawberries. And we got some salad. And we got some breadsticks. This is not bread.
Look, look, I didn't even get it the words.
I got some garlic bread slices, not sticks.
Some garlic toast.
Oh,
That's what we can call
that. How you know when your water hot enough?
it. It starts to boil like lava.
Okay.
Did y'all like my friend last video she posted? That was funny. It was
Which
funny.
one was the last one? I
I
already put some salt in there. Should I put some more salt?
Whatever you feel.
Oh my god.
Cause then you post the one you used in the car, and then you posted your makeup one.
Yeah.
So the last one. It was so funny.
That one part was funny.
And if you haven't watched it, go watch it. Cause it was funny.
I said, oh, do I have it? I said, okay.
Ooh. Oh, I'm weak because you did have it. Like,
Am I supposed to break it?
yeah, my mom break it.
But don't they shrink?
I don't know.
Hold on, y'all. Let me call my mom. Yeah, my mom told me to break them in half and use the whole box. So, oh.
We ain't gonna have no meat to put in the noodles.
For real, this little bitty amount of meat. I be liking the meat. Okay, it's cooked. I gotta drain it, then pour the sauce in it. My mama told me to use 2 cans. Do you think I'm supposed to? With that little bit of meat?
Use one first. This is not the same girl. What you do?
It was overboiling.
You got it on high?
What am I supposed to do?
What's it
The meat gonna burn?
What you got it on?
5.
Put it on 3. Oh yeah, it worked too.
Oh Lord have mercy.
Chef Deja, you guys. But one thing she can do is to make chocolate covered strawberries. That's what she is meant to do.
I cook noodles.
She talking about cup noodles, y'all. My
Because
sis,
obviously them ain't
my
been
sis
cooked
didn't even know
right.
how to cook a hot plate.
Think it's ready to go back on?
Yeah. Look like you got too much water in there, first of all.
I didn't know. so do I need to add more salt then?
Yeah.
Lord, yeah. This shit. We don't need more sauce. We really ain't got no meat. we finna eat
You know, some
spaghetti and
places
stuff.
don't have, when you go places, they don't have meat up in there. They just have the sauce and the noodles. You know?
We ain't some places.
Obviously we are. Obviously we are some places.
We need meat.
Y'all know she no real cook. Look how she got her hand rested.
So should I add the other sauce now?
May as well. May as well. We are using Prego.
You finna say regular?
Italian sauce, traditional. It's the traditional kind. How they gonna? People put this sauce on their meatballs, and then they put it on their garlic bread.
They make
They make
sandwiches, meatball sandwiches.
mozzarella
Sub
meatball sandwiches.
Hold on. I think I'm gonna wait and add
Yeah,
that.
you gotta
Okay.
see. What y'all eating, Sasedi?
Yo. I am weak. I really can't cook. My mama really didn't teach me how to cook. She made me stay out her kitchen.
Who taught you how to cheat?
Who taught you how to cheat?
On test.
Oh. I taught myself. I don't even cheat though. You know how they say you tell when a little ready?
Who said that? Who said that?
That ain't how.
Who
They
said that?
said when it's ready, it'll stick to the wall.
Let me Google that. I ain't never heard that before. How can you tell when noodles are tossed against the wall? Oh, Google heard about it, you guys.
Yeah. We ain't gotta eat them. I don't like croutons.
It said if it's done, it'll stick against the wall. I guess she knows some.
Yeah.
But it said,
It look right.
yeah, it look right. But do it taste right?
Hello.
Let's sweep it up.
I'm finna clean. I'm about to clean. Just give me a little time. My mom be putting, I think that's when she run out of sauce. She
Put
put water
water
in
in.
and shake it up. That's when they run out of sauce. Okay. We got enough, I'm guessing. Okay, y'all. That's that on that. I don't like fruit salad. Now I'm gonna make this. I'm gonna make this bread.
The bread already made. She finna heat it up.
At 425 for 5 to 8 minutes. We ain't got 425. Oh, I guess that's the line in the middle. So I guess we do got 425. Alright, so boom. The food is done. Watch it, ain't even going nowhere. Okay, that's good enough. Yeah. Alright.
It's time to try it out.
I think I forgot the ranch. But I need to try without the ranch. I'm nervous. It's ready.
Hey, I was just gonna say, they probably like, they gonna be like, how you mess up? How you can't cook spaghetti?
You gotta season the meat, the salt in the noodles, all that. Throw it off. I should have wanted bread up though, cause I
For
feel
real,
like.
'cause this shit cold as fuck.
Oh my god. Huh.
Couple minutes.
This good. I think cause we always eating out. We done went to Taco Bell every day this week.
Every day.
Taco Bell and Sonic.
We went to Zaxby's too. But
We
we
still-
been there.
We still went to Taco Bell. That did we go?
Did we? Or was we in bed all day? We probably did. Went that night by 12. By 10.
For real. And we're
Break
back.
your heart like you broke mine.
Oh, that was so ugly. Yeah, I know. We're back at it again. Look at that one. I just took a shower. Hold on. Wait a minute. See you? Oh. Alright, we just here to close out this video. The food was good.
Yeah, it was a 6 out of 10.
A 10 out of 10. That's
For
what she
real,
meant.
it was good. It was a 9 out of 10. We being serious. 9 out of 10. But cause you know this is a step up. Cause last time it was a 10 out of 10. The last meal she cooked was a 10 out of 10.
What I
And the
cooked?
one, the greens and the pork
Oh
chop.
yeah, that was good.
And then the first meal she cooked was a 1 out of 10.
Now you know it was good when we added some salt.
It was a 1 out of 10 when we tasted the first time. Once we added the salt, it was a 6 out of 10.
I'm weak.
But she's getting better. The next time she cook, it's gonna be 11 out of 10. Speaking into existence.
What we cooking next? We need to bake.
I'm gonna cook next time.
She gonna cook next time. It's gonna go on your channel. Why?
I'm just gonna cook the cook because I ain't ready to start it yet.
Yeah.
I'm trying to wait till I get a new phone. I ain't got no storage. I already got a video, but I ain't posted yet.
Anyway, anyways, we're out. You know, peace. Deuce. See
Period.
you in the next video.